now we're gonna get that heart rate up. We're gonna do some burpees with a lateral raise. So grab those medium weights. We're gonna go for 8 reps. So you're gonna jump back, do optional push-up, jump forward, and do a lateral raise. Follow with me. So weights down, jump back, optional push-up here, jump in, stand, and side raise. Okay, come on down, that's 1. Optional push-up, side raise, 2. 3. 4. 'You guys getting uncomfortable yet? 5. Of course, you can step back on these if you need to. You can put the knees down if you need to. And you can take out the push-up entirely if you need to.